Hey everybody, this is Robert with Complete Truck Body out of Compton, California, coming to you today with a liftgate tip of the day. What is level ride? I'm on top of a Delandia RM20 right now. It's now known as the RMM 44, a 4,400 pound capacity liftgate that is 60 inches deep by 85 inches wide, which means it fits most standard size pallets just fine and can actually fit 2 pallets side by side. But why do I want level ride versus non-level ride? Well, if you have a truck that's this large, which is the Isuzu FVR, International, Freightliner, Ford, F650, something that has a good bed height, you should go with a level ride gate if it's offered to you. And I'll show you. That is level. This liftgate, once it hits the ground, will bow down to allow carts, large cargo, or your pallet to roll on, but come completely flat, meaning that you're riding this liftgate entirely flat the entire time, which is really helpful when you have cargo that is tall and unruly, or you have things on wheels. And as we come down, we're riding the liftgate entirely down. You're not fighting your cargo, you're not fighting your big heavy welding machine or whatever it might be. And as soon as you hit the ground, you can hear it actually punch the ground a little bit. You can stop, reposition yourself, grab your cargo so it doesn't roll away, and then come right down. You can see in my hand I'm using the wireless hand control available for Delandias as an additional feature. And that's it. That is a level ride liftgate. A non-level ride liftgate in so many terms is going to go ahead and just elliptically come up and come down, which can make holding your cargo in particularly hard. Thanks for watching. Give us a call, email anytime for any quotes, comments, or concerns. My name is Robert. Our office email is sales@completetruckbody.com, and our phone number is 323-218-0989. Thanks.